What's up? Another day, another life. Here we go again. Let's go to work. This is Vince. Before we go to work, let's go for a quick wash. And here we are. Work time. Some energy drink. Yeah. What's up? Hi, Mr. Lucas. Before we open, we have a special performance. Yeah. Let's make some sauce. Mix. Yeah. Here's the sushi rice. Mr. Vince, aka Mr. Chang, is mixing it. This is our first order for today.
Wow.
Yummy in my tummy. It's cleaning time. Let's go home. Look at this handsome boy. Okay, let's go home. Good night. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless. Yeah.